On.
Hey guys, Bryce here with Force Turbos. We're down here in Phoenix, Arizona. Stopped by Nash Powersports and we found a Defender. This sucker is built. We're gonna take you on a little tour of this so you can kind of see what it's got. I mean, it's got everything top to bottom. Light bars, metal FX wheels, HCR suspension. It's got the stereo roof. Kind of take a look inside. I'll have Ty show you that. I mean, look at this thing. It is awesome. They've had really good luck with it. They built this as a demo ride. He says that they've been building these machines as fast as they can get them in, and it'd be perfect for down here in the desert, for the days when you're out there in the heat, and just all around driving. You know, it's got the AC, it's got the heater, it's going to keep you clean. But the best part about it is, you know, they trust us, Force Turbos. It's got one of our turbo systems on it, and they say that this thing is rocking. This one actually dynoed. We promote on our website that the Defender puts out about 80 horsepower. They dynoed this one and set it up with some clutching and you know, did a couple other things, and on their dyno it was 92 horsepower. Still at 5 pounds of boost. So you know that when Force Turbos is putting out a product, you can put it on a build like this, and get the correct performance that you're looking for. You know, they've added a lot of weight to this, and it makes this vehicle fun to drive. So come down here, see Nash Powersports, see the guys, you know, that are around that can build some of these things, because I think this is on my list of things to build. So talk to you later.